Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel, Kurtashing Adventures. And for today's vlog, I'm sharing to you our experience in visiting Ikea in Pasay. So Ikea Philippines is one of the biggest stores of Ikea in Asia. And this is located just near Mall of Asia. So there are a lot of parking lots naman when you visit Ikea. You can park in MOA parking lot. They also have an access going to Ikea directly. Or they also have their own parking lot dun sa Ikea mismo. Okay? So, I want to share to you our experience. So, here's the videos. So, ayun nga guys, if you can see in my videos, ang daming tao ngayon sa IKEA because it's already level 1 here in the Philippines and lighter na yung mga restrictions. You just need to wear your mask and everyone can visit IKEA anytime. Ang hours nila is nag-start sila 10 a.m. but the Swedish Bistro and Restaurant, I think it's already open by 9:30 in the morning. So, you don't need to reserve or you don't need to schedule your visit in IKEA anymore. Unlike before nung kaka-open lang nila. Kaya, sobrang dami ng tao. Ang haba ng mga pila. Sa Swedish restaurant, you have to wait for 2 hours. So, we opt not to go there at this time. Maybe on the next na visit namin, we will go to the Swedish restaurant. But we tried Swedish Bistro. Sobrang affordable ng mga merienda snacks nila there. And then, there are a lot of items then that you can choose from pagka nag-visit ka ng IKEA. So, this is a good store. Kapag ka nag-adulting na, like me, meron akong pinapagawa na bahay. So, yung mga furniture, if you don't want to buy their furniture, you can at least get an idea ano ba yung mga furniture na pwede mong ilagay sa bahay na pinapagawa mo, or if you want to change furniture, lalo na kung maliliit lang yung space, they have a lot of space saver furniture sa IKEA. So, ang bad side lang pag-visit namin today, since it's a Sunday, sabi ko nga, jam-packed yung location, ang daming tao, parking, haba din ng pila. And then, pag check out mo, ang haba din ng pila. And, most of the items na nagustuhan ko is already out of stock. So, kailangan, pwede ka pang bumalik after 2 weeks to find out if they already have the item back in stock. Pero, yun nga, magaganda naman yung items sila and good quality. So, I also wanted to share to you yung mga nakuha ko or mga nabili ko, mga budol ko in IKEA. So, I have some items that I bought. Pero yung mga talagang items that I really wanted to buy for my house in Morong is already out of stock. So, maybe I can try online. Para pag online kasi, pag once na nagkaroon na ng stock, it will be delivered to you na. So, I'll try online. At least nakita ko na first hand, ano yung tsura talaga yung item. Kasi they have showroom at the 4th floor. You'll see kung paano yung mga pwedeng decor in living room, decor sa bedroom, ganyan. So, you'll see kung paano yung mga items mismo real time before you buy the item. So, yun. And then, very affordable din yung mga items nila doon, guys. So, meron din sila mga kitchenwares na less than 100 pesos. So, talagang maganda yung mga buy dito sa IKEA. So, I'll share to you what I bought in IKEA. Siyempre, I bought the bag. Ito yung bag ng IKEA. It's really big. Tapos, talagang ang gusto kong bilhin sa IKEA is the light fixtures. Pero, out of stock kasi yung number 1 ko na gusto na light that I also saw online. So, babalikan ko na lang siya or I'll order it online. Pero this time, I just bought this one. Ito, lalagay ko sa bar na gagawin or bar table na gagawin sa aming bahay. This is a light fixture. Ganyan siya yung may haba. And then, aside from that, I also bought this one. This is Brada. This is for laptop. Because I'm working from home, tapos naka-laptop lang ako. Sabi ng PT ko, it's also necessary na dapat inclined yung laptop when you are using it para hindi na sumasakit yung lower and upper back. And then, I also have here storage ng mga condiments. This is just 150 for 3 pieces. Ayan. These are small jars. Pwede mo paglagyan ng mga pepper, ground pepper, yan. And then this one is actually pinili ng aking asawa. Ito. This is a mag holder na pwede mong ilagay sa iyong desk. Office desk o kaya sa computer desk mo. And they also have set of scissors, which is just 90 pesos. Tatlo na siya. Sorry. And then, ito, yung this is mangkok. Ayan. 90 pesos lang din to. May mga ganito sila na less than 100 pesos. Meron silang items na gano'n. Meron mga platito, may plato, maliit na mangkok, and this one is the big mangkok. That's all white. Yan, maganda din. And this one is a galvanized pot. Yan, kapag gusto mo na, syempre mga, tawag dyan, small plants, indoor plants, you can put it here. Yan. So, yun. Konti lang yung buy ko. Binili ko ngayon kasi nga, as I mentioned, hindi naman available yung ibang mga furniture that I wanted to buy, yung mga lights, and then the table na nafo-fold. I really like the Northern table. Kasi I think this is really, maganda in condo. Kasi natutupi yung table, as well as may mga chairs din na pwede mo i-partner, which is also natutupi. Foldable din sila. So, yun. So, I think it's very nice to visit IKEA, pero you have to really choose what day you are visiting kasi as I mentioned, sobrang crowded kapag Sunday. And siguro because it's March March 19 ba ngayon? March 19, which is just a few days from the payday. So, kung pupunta kayo, dapat wag weekend ng payday para konti yung tao, and wag Sunday kasi ang daming tao pag Sunday. So, I'm planning to go back on a weekday to see kung gaano kadami yung mga tao pagka weekdays naman. Okay? So, I hope you like this video, guys, as I shared to you my IKEA experience. And I hope this is not the last time that I'll visit this store kasi I really like the furnitures here. I'll definitely buy more items from them. And I hope you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye!